Today we're down to our final 5% of customers who remain without power. It has been a mammoth effort to get to this point, but clearly the work is not done. And we completely understand that if you are one of those unfortunate customers who remains without power, you're not very interested in the progress we're making. You really want to understand, when am I getting my power back? We totally understand that. And we continue to have the full team of resources here working on restoration. If you are one of those customers who remains without power, you can probably be sure that means that you are in a harder hit area. You're in an area that probably experienced some significant tree damage, or perhaps even some flooding. And it's just taking a little bit longer to get those repairs made. If you are living in a home that did experience flooding, it is so important that you remember to call an electrician to come out and inspect your home before we can safely energize it. Our 8 base camps remain operational. The 6,000 line workers that we brought in from out of state are continuing to work 16 hours a day. This is hard work. And these guys have been at this for weeks. We had many of these resources here for Helene, and then they traveled north to the Carolinas and into Georgia to help with Helene restoration up there. And now they're back down here helping us with Milton. They're tiring, but they are relentless. And part of the reason they're so relentless is they're motivated by what they do. The appreciation that is showered on these guys for their effort is not lost on them. And quite frankly, it's inspiring to them. We've had so many acts of kindness over the past week. Right here at Raymond James, where I am now, we had a company come down from Ocala that spent 2 days. I think the name of the company was Brick and Ember. They spent 2 days making hundreds and hundreds of free pizza for the linemen. We had a barbecue company, show up at the Waimama base camp, making barbecue for all the line workers out there. This morning, Dunkin' Donuts showed up with free donuts. And I understand there's a bit of a recognition event out in Plant City tonight. All of that just means so much to these guys who have been working so many hours to try to get that power restored. Stay with us. You know, it's last Wednesday, we endured the biggest hurricane to hit the Tampa area in 100 years. And 1 week later, the finish line is in sight. So we just ask for your continued patience. The end is getting very, very close. Thank you all.